6 people hospitalized after carbon monoxide fills a local restaurant. Good evening, everyone. I'm Michelle Wright.
I'm Andrew Stockey. Let's get right out to Channel 4 Action News reporter Sheldon Ingram. He's live at the Golden Corral in Hermitage, Mercer County. Sheldon?
Yes, good evening. The Golden Corral here is just behind me, the scene of a terrible accident this afternoon where paramedics and fire crews had to rush to help 6 people who were overcome by carbon monoxide fumes inside the restaurant. This is the scene just after 3 o'clock this afternoon as 6 people were taken out. Now, Golden Corral tells us that 1 manager and 2 staff people were among those who were treated for carbon monoxide for the oversaturation of carbon monoxide. Now, they were taken to 2 different hospitals. The fire chief tells us that the safe levels range anywhere from 6 to 8 parts per million. What they found inside the restaurant was 300 parts per million, extremely high. So at this hour, they're airing out the restaurant. Golden Corral tells us that they will have a technician inside trying to determine where this leak occurred of this carbon monoxide inside their restaurant. They'll be here throughout the night trying to take care of that problem, and we are told that the people who were rushed to the hospital, they have since been released. Reporting live from Hermitage in Mercer County, Sheldon Ingram, Channel 4 Action News.